guys, today we're gonna make some burgers. And I know this is just a prototype, that's not actually real food. So let's get right into the video. Pride is playing with my nose.
Put the onions.
Onion, it's like an onion. It's got
Put
layers.
everything. Use the spoon. Yung sandok. Gamitin mo yung sandok.
Okay.
Be careful.
Okay, that's enough.
Bind it
Bind it.
carefully.
This is actually my recipe, not her recipe. I gave her the idea, but she's the one who knows.
Wow, nakakahiya naman sa akin.
I am the one who made the fried burger.
Ah, talaga ba?
From sketch.
Sketch or scratch? Mix it well. Hindi ganyan. Hindi ganyan. Cut and fold.
I know what to do with these. Not making them big.
Wow! Yan naman ako sa'yo.
This is making me uncomfortable by the sound.
By the sound.
It's like something's approaching.
Maybe having fun.
This usually is
So you wanna work at McDonald's?
never already in the military.
No, that will never happen. That will never.
Done.
Oh, they still have one more.
Are we gonna place it? Are we actually gonna place this on top of each other?
Of course not.
Why? I want this to be sick layer, sick like you. Stop putting them in my way.
Kailangan mahaba mo.
I know I'm a German Shepherd, but no need to say that.
German Shepherd.
My lettuce. Let's place the lettuce.
Why did you break it?
There we go. Now I just need the fries and I'm done.
How about mine? Where's my lettuce?
Okay.
You should have placed the ketchup over the patty.
I decided what I want.
Pwede, wow. Sungit mo naman, chef.
I am the one who decided.
Careful.
I think this was actually following the recipes is going off the rails.
Saan siya yung baba niya? Why are you putting the fries over?
It's my special recipe.
Careful.
I don't want this to fall on the floor or else it's gonna make it have more taste.
With some bacteria.